Hello everybody, this is Sasha Monique Talks. Hello my friends, I'm here with the thrift haul. So I told y'all I was going to bring you all these thrift hauls, right? And I do have a lot of stuff. Excuse me. So I was going through some of my things, not all of them, because I would have to pull a whole lot of stuff out. And I kept saying to myself, did I show these things already? I don't think so, but it's a warning. If you have seen some of this stuff before, it wasn't intended to be that way, okay? So I'm going to get started here. This is clothes from ThredUp. I think some things from swap.com. And I have something from Macy's Last Act. Maybe something from Burlington. I'm not sure about that. Okay. So I'm going to show you what I have. Okay. So I brought this. Oh, some things going to be from Unique Thrift Store. Okay. I always shout them out. Patterson, New Jersey. Okay, so this first item here is a jean dress. And I can't see the tag on this. I can't read it. It's so little. Even with my glasses, I may not be able to see it. Writing is so little. Jessie and Delancey. Jessie and Delancey. I never heard that. So that's that jean dress. I have these leggings. Just plain black leggings. And I think I got that from Burlington. Of course, a while back. It was a terrible storm, y'all. But you know what? We needed the rain because after that situation with that smoke coming from Canada, we need the air to clear. So my next item, I don't think I showed this. And this is made by Love J. Never heard of that brand. And it's this shirt here. And it's kind of long. Great for leggings. Cute if you want to put a little belt here and wear it with a skirt. And I have a yellow, like kind of like something like a little jacket that I will put with this. And it's yellow and it's cute. I have worn this before, of course. But yeah, I got this from, I think ThredUp. I think I got this from ThredUp. ThredUp got so many nice clothes. Swap.com got some beautiful clothes, but you have to be careful with the sizing and stuff because they don't have the measurements. ThredUp, they have the measurements. Okay, I'm going to show you a pair of pants that I got from Macy's Last Act. And when I went, I wasn't intending on buying any clothes. And it's these pants here. They have nice weight to them. I think it's a little too heavy for the summer, but the fall, winter, and spring. And it's called Pencil. It's a pencil pant. Kind of like leggings, y'all. And I like the stitching that goes down in the middle. I like the way that looks. And the original price was $49.60, and I paid $4.93. Hope you can see it. You know, I think I said it. I'm recording from my Chromebook. I never record from my Chromebook, but I said maybe I'll try it out today and see how things look. If not, if things go wrong, I will have to redo this video and record it on my other devices. This dress I got here, and I have some dresses similar to this, and it's a Charter Club Intimates woman. And this is a nice dress. I like this here. It had a little tassel, and the tassel was messed up, so I just cut it off. And this is cute. I have some white sandals that I'm going to wear with this. Yes, and I got this from, I think I got it from Unique Thrift Store. As I always say, I love Charter Club clothes. They hold up very well. Even the old stuff, they really hold up. I don't know if I should have this one, but not, y'all. This is the skirt. I'm sure I got this from Unique Thrift Store a while back. And it's nice and comfortable. And it's Jaclyn Smith. If you can see it. I was going through my stuff. I said, girl, you just got so much stuff. This shirt I may have shown before, just to be honest with you. And this is made by White Stag. And it's this one. I love this shirt. It's nice and comfortable. It looks nice with pants, jeans, a skirt. Most of the time I wear it with a skirt or some black slacks or something like that. Yeah, but I like this shirt. Matter of fact, I was looking for it and I couldn't find it. When I was looking through stuff today to do this haul, and I ran into this shirt. So those of you who may not have a thrift store close by, or you may be close to some thrift stores, but they may have a bunch of raggedy stuff. And I remember years ago, like the Salvation Army and stuff. Sometimes I would find nice stuff, but a lot of times they were selling a bunch of faded junk, and I'm like, I'm not gonna look like that. Which in the case, a lot of the people that work there are getting the clothes. Because people be donating some nice stuff. And that's what I love so much about Unique Thrift. You can always find nice stuff. ThredUp, you can find a lot of nice stuff. Swap.com. Okay, this is the Coldwater Creek, another one of my favorite brands that I like. It's plain black. But I like stuff like this that I can turn into a nice outfit. You know, a lot of people say that's not in style no more, but you can make a nice professional outfit out of it. You can wear it any way you want to, and that's what I like about this. You know, you may have to go to court. You may be working at a new place, and this is appropriate. Yes, there will be a link for ThredUp in the description box if you are interested. And I got to find it. I think I have a code for 40% off or something like that I'm going to look into it, and if I find it, I will put that in the description box. Okay, so you can save some money on your first order. This dress is so pretty. I haven't worn it yet, and I'm sure I had it like a year or so. And it's still got the swap.com tag on it. And it's made by Signature Collection. I don't know that company. But it's this pretty dress here. And it has a belt. What I do remember about this, I had to take it in last year. I think I took it in on the sides. Just the armholes were so big. So I just took some needle and thread. And I still haven't got my, hope you can see it. I still haven't got my sewing machine fixed. And I had the sewing machine since I was 16 years old. And see, it still has the swap.com tag on it. Okay, I might have shown this before, and I haven't worn it yet, but it's really cute. And when I was looking online, it caught my eye, but I like some weird colors and stuff sometimes, and prints and stuff. Like I said, I like boho without being the, I do the bow, I don't do the hoe. Okay, so it's it's this. Isn't that pretty? And in person, it's just so beautiful. I could wear this with some rough looking pants, brown pants, white, black. You can wear with so many things, and that's what I like so much about this shirt. And then it has a little opening here. That is so cute to me. I'm going to show you this dress I got from Unique Thrift Store. I'm almost done, y'all. And it's this one. And it comes a little bit below my knee. And I usually like dresses to come a lot under my knee. Because I don't want to bend over and people see my business, what's going on under there. So I saw this and it caught my eye, and I got this from Unique Thrift Store. Pretty colors. I wear with the white sandals. And this is made by Sahali. Sahali. That's an unusual brand name. And it's nice. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, I got a few pieces left. This, where is this from? I think I got this from ThredUp. Another versatile shirt, like for work or whatever. And it always look well pulled together. It's not a real shirt under here. I like these. These kind of shirts been out for a long time, but I love it. And it's made by Faded Glory. I love animal print. This next jacket, it wasn't thrifted. I got it from Emery Rose, I think I got it from Emery Rose. So let me put it on the hanger. And it's an unused print. And when I got it, I loved it. And it's this one. I'm going to save this for the fall. And yeah, this has Emery Rose on the tag, okay? Now, I know it was very inexpensive. I don't know if it was $5, $7, something like that. It's nice. I like it a lot. And I'm going to show you the last shirt that I got from, where did I get this from? I think I got this from, excuse me. I think I got this from ThredUp. It's a plain red shirt. And I wear these with some everything. Skirts, jeans, pants. And this is made by Worthington. My favorite brands of Worthington. I have so many Worthington stuff. So if you are looking for clothes that really hold up, especially if you're shopping at the thrift store, take note of these brands, because I don't really tell you about stuff that doesn't hold up or last. I was buying stuff from Emery Rose, and I got, I think maybe 2 dresses from them. Those are nice, but their shirts don't fit right. They don't really fit right. So the jackets from Emery Rose, that holds up well. I got some black skirts from Emery Rose. Those are nice, like plain black skirts with the rubber in the waist. Those are nice. So yeah, I'm gonna have to dig through some more stuff. I can't believe that I can't remember whether I showed some of this stuff or not. And I said, I'm just gonna show all this stuff. I have to really dig through this stuff, and I don't want to have to look through all these videos to see whether I showed them already. But thank you so much for taking your time and watching this video. I really appreciate it, because you don't have to. And please comment, share, subscribe. If you like the thrift hauls, please let me know in the comment section, okay? Alright, so you all have a wonderful day.